The street of Crenshaw and Florence at the middle of the road. The business is Akko, and he's still threatening me. Yeah, the incident happened at Akko, but I'm out here outside the street by the mobile.
Okay, do you see the officers? They should be in the area.
I don't see none yet.
Okay.
Okay, I've seen them. I've seen them.
You see them?
Yes.
So did you for sure see a gun or what looked like a gun?
Well, he has all the security kitting on him, and he probably said he's gonna shoot me.
He had something on his waist then?
He has security out kit and stuff on his waistband. I seen the officer. You can hang up right now.
Okay.
You can hang up right now.
I'm with you. 1 second.
One of the officers is right here already. Are you LAPD, sir? I'm on call with 911. Are you LAPD? I got you on recording. I know more than you know. You can play with your mama, not me. I'm a legal nurse practitioner. I'm not an illiterate.
You see what I have on.
That's on you, bro.
This company right here, I'm here.
You can work for Trump, but you cannot threaten me. I saw one officer here. I don't know if that's the 911 you called. There's an officer right here, but I don't think they're the people you called. You can harass yourself, not me, bro. I'm not a baby in America.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect the line now. Okay?
I appreciate you. Thank you for serving.
They don't want him on the property.
They don't want who? Have you seen me before?
He comes and manhandle on the property, begging. One of the girls, one of my customers,
Officer, I have not been in this property since this year. For more than a year, I have not crossed this property.
and then that's
Well,
when he
keep
started-
talking, bro.
Well, I'm gonna beat the shit out of you, da, da, da. So when he started getting aggressive, that's when we got the
Officer, go to your phone. The video is on YouTube already.
About this distance, the
You're not
dog
that
was
smart,
there, he was
bro.
right there, and I
You're
was
not that
explaining,
smart.
you need
I
to
got
leave
3
from the
degrees, bro.
property. You need to leave from the property. He started
Okay.
getting outrageous again.
Okay.
I said, sir, you need to leave from the property. And that's when we escorted him to the sidewalk and we departed from it.
Escort me
And I
with
went
what?
about,
You threatening me with a K9. Well, keep on talking anyway. I don't even have time to talk to police. If I have a situation, I'll walk into and talk to the police chief. If you don't talk in, you can go and talk to him. If you don't talk in, you can go and talk to him. That's if you want to talk to me.
He's just learning at this point.
I got detectives to talk to. If you don't want to talk to me, that's on him, bro. I got
Just give me a second.
I'm classified, bro. I'm not an
What's your
illiterate.
name, brother?